My name is Vikas Varma. I'm 36 years of age and I come from Johannesburg. I work for Cisco Systems. I look after about 44 countries and manage the entire distribution for Africa. Kuch samay pehle, about 2.5 months back, I met with an accident, a sports injury. I was playing tennis with some of my colleagues, and something happened. I went off for a ball and something happened. I felt some tremendous amount of pain in my right knee. I couldn't get up thereafter, and it was a pain which I never ever experienced in my life, and I hope I will never ever experience in my life. Immediately after the injury, I went to a local doctor. We got the X-ray done immediately, and the X-ray showed no injury to the bone. And we thought it was just a muscle strain, which would go away with time. Continued for about 2 weeks, and there were no ordinary. So what happened is that I never got any reprieve from the pain, and I was in pain for a good 2 weeks. And then I decided to come to India. There was a marriage of my cousin, so I thought I'll come to India, and from India I'll go to UK. I'm a Cigna medical insurance holder, so for us it is like we can get the best of treatment anywhere in the world using the Cigna membership. When I came to India, I was in tremendous pain. I landed in India. The very next day I thought I needed to see a doctor. I went to one of the most reputed hospitals in Ahmedabad. There again I spent some good time. It's a very large hospital known for very successful knee replacements and joint replacements. I was when they saw a doctor, again they took some x-rays, some photographs, and they said that it's all fine, nothing to worry about, and I should continue my life as usual. They gave me some kind of physiotherapy lessons as what I should be doing in the next few weeks, and some painkillers. I went to Delhi, and I had very sharp pain again in my knee, which was unbearable at the airport. I had difficulty even getting on the aircraft. I came to Ahmedabad. I cut short my daily visit. I came to Ahmedabad, and this time I saw another doctor, Dr. Jitendra Singh Pramar, and we decided to go for MRI. When MRI came out, we were diagnosed as I'm suffering from 2 broken ligaments. My ACL was showing as complete tear. My MCL was showing as grade 2 tear, which is very bad. And we decided that we should go for arthroscopy. But I insisted to the doctor that I want to continue my active life. And we decided, okay, fine, for a while we should go for a conservative treatment. And he guided me to missionhealth. Now, when the doctor told me that I should be going to missionhealth, I was not at all interested. I was like, let's get on with the surgery, get over with it. क्योंकि मुझे विश्वास नहीं था कि इंडिया के अंदर I can get any physiotherapy which can get me right. Because जो भी physiotherapy देखी थी आज तक, historically speaking, was very crude, was very basic. So I told the doctor that let's go for a arthroscopy. And in the meanwhile, I was going through a personal trauma because I lead a very active life. Every third day I'm on aircraft, I'm traveling one of the countries, I travel the world across. And for a moment I thought that maybe my international career to have खत्म हो गया है. So I was really looking for maybe coming to India, settling down for a mediocre life, taking up a job which may not be very strenuous, not very physically demanding. And thereafter, when the doctor convinced me, he assured me that I must go to this center. I came to missionhealth. I met Allah Bhai. Before I came inside to meet Allah Bhai, I went across the hospital. I saw some really nice outfits. I saw some real spanky machines, some state-of-the-art setup, infrastructure, and there was some lot of photographs of him giving discourse or meeting some famous personalities. So I was impressed to a level that I thought maybe this trip might be some worthwhile. I came in and I met Allah Bhai, and we had a long discussion. He went through my MRI reports, and he asked me only one question: Vikas Bhai, what do you want to do? What's your goal? I said, I want to go back, I want to play tennis again. He said, fine, we'll get there. उस समय मुझे विश्वास नहीं था, मेरे को ज़रा भी विश्वास नहीं था कि ये जो कह रहे हैं वो सच होगा. It was like usually doctor आपको make feel good factor देने की कोशिश करते हैं. That's what I thought maybe is one of those things, and it's okay. He told me about the latest therapy he's using, the techniques he's using. He told me about the laser technology, the laser machine, which I thought was nothing but more of a bridge version of a sonic wave machine. With due apologies, sir. And I was in great pain. I was not able to sleep properly. I was not able to. ऐसा बात ही नहीं होता था कि मैं 2 घंटे भी सीधा सो सकता था. It was so much of pain. My knee had a lot of swelling around, and it came. The pain was really unbearable. It came to Mission Health. We started off. The first 3 or 4 days, I was put on basic some contrast bath, some hot packs with ice. And first week was about getting the swelling down, because. And the second week was about getting the range correct. I should be able to move my knee, my leg sideways, as well as towards the inside of the thigh. It was pretty painful, and we started the laser therapy from day 1. Once we started doing that, on the 8th day, the pain went off completely, and that was miraculous. मुझे ऐसा कभी पता नहीं था कि ये पेन कभी जाएगा. पेन इतना खराब था, मुझे लगा सिर्फ सर्जरी ही अकेला इसका एक उपाय है. And well, I started off on the 8th day, the pain went off. On the 14th day, I was able to walk around without a limp. Then we went through some rigorous physiotherapy, some rigorous training modules, and we worked on my hamstring, we worked on my quadriceps. On the 21st day, I went back to my doctor since he wanted to see me, how I'm coping. मैं जितेंद्र भाई के पास वापस गया, उन्होंने मुझे चेक किया और मुझे देख के उनके मन में जो हुआ, जो उनके मन में जो शांति है, जो उनके मन में खुशी आई, आई वॉज देयर टू सी. उनके अपने ही लफ्ज़ों में इट वॉज कि उन्होंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि मेरी ऐसे रिकवरी हो सकती है. ACL injury usually leads to quite a few limitations in one's life, and he was very happy. And he ruled out surgery. He said, because there is no need for surgery. And your real doctor is not me, it is actually Arab Bhai, so please go back and do another good some time here so that you can return to active life. To cut a very long story short, मैं यहाँ पे कुछ 2 महीने से आ रहा हूँ, और 2 महीने में मेरी रिकवरी इज़ 90%. मैं ट्रेडमिल के ऊपर अब 6 की स्पीड पे मेरे को चला रहे हैं, बट आई कैन एक्चुअली गो राइट टिल 8. आई नो आई एम रेडी टू रन. ही इज नॉट अलाउइंग मी टू रन फॉर नाउ. He has advised me not to get into any sports for at least 4 or 6 months, but that is nothing compared to the sacrifice I would have made to my active life had I gone for a surgery. So it has been a tremendous recovery for me. Tomorrow is my last day. I'm flying out back to my work. जो मुझे कभी सपने में मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मुझे तो ऐसा था कि मेरा करियर ही खत्म हो गया है. But I can go back. I can work for the company I love, that's Cisco. I love my job, and I'm very happy that finally I'm getting back to my work and with 100% fitness, because whatever the pain I have in this knee now left is hardly 5 or 10%, which I believe in a couple of months should go away completely, and I should be able to run, and I should be able to play. I should be able to do my sports, which I'm so anxious about. मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था that before coming to Mission Health, after having this injury, number one, that India में ऐसा treatment possible है. Number two, I never thought that this kind of not only treatment, this kind of specialty treatment is available in place like Ahmedabad, in place like India. The good part is that all the doctors in Mission Health are certified doctors. I mean, none of here, nobody here is like coming to do, आपका जो सोनिक वेव कोई कर रहा है, या आपको कोई लेजर दे रहा है, या आपको कोई एक्सरसाइज करवा रहा है, वो सिखाए हुए लोग नहीं है, वो पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं. They are all minimum BPT जो करके आए हैं from reputed colleges. And then on top we have team like Alab Bhai, who's given me his 100% personal care. We have Naraf ma'am, who's given me a wellness program to reduce my weight and get more healthy. And we have Disha Ben, whom I thankfully never had to use because she is on the other side. In all, I must say that the team here is very, very competitive, and I have got one of the best treatment possible in the world. And I'm glad I got in India, and I'm glad I met my doctor who referred me here to Mission Health, and I look forward to coming back to Mission Health, not as a patient anymore, in a couple of months, to come back and give him the joy of seeing a patient who is becoming so well. And I'm so happy that so many people I met here. We had a tremendous time in this place. We were more like a family, working out together, sharing our brief joys and pain together, because everybody here is considerable pain. And so many of people I knew who have got well and have left Mission Health, and I'm proud that I am one of those today, and I'm proud that I did what I had to do as a patient, and finally tomorrow morning I fly out to my life again. Thank you so much, Mission Health.
We'll miss you, Vikas. We will miss you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Allah, for taking this career. Thank you so much.